Hey there, West Houston. This is a crucial alert for all local businesses. There's a new wave of sophisticated phishing scams targeting our area. Impress IT Solutions, your go-to cybersecurity experts, have identified an advanced phishing campaign that's dropping stealthy malware through tools like ClickFix and MintsLoader. So how does this attack work? It starts with deceptive emails or drive-by downloads, leading to complete system compromise. MintsLoader, the star of this campaign, uses obfuscated JavaScript and PowerShell scripts to slip past traditional defenses. It then connects to attacker-controlled infrastructure using a domain generation algorithm and downloads a second-stage payload called GhostWeaver. GhostWeaver is a nasty piece of malware. It maintains encrypted communication, steals browser credentials, manipulates web page content, and can even deploy further malware modules. Some versions use a method called ClickFix, tricking users into manually executing malicious code from spoofed websites, making detection a real headache. Who's at risk? Industries like construction, legal services, and energy sectors are primarily in the crosshairs. These attacks, once reserved for nation-state actors, are now targeting small and mid-sized businesses right here in Houston. Impress IT Solutions is on it. They're defending local companies with a robust, layered security approach. This includes advanced spam filtering, employee training, real-time monitoring, behavior analysis, and encrypted traffic inspection. Not to mention, they offer backup and recovery services to ensure business continuity. And if an attack does get through, their incident response team is ready to contain, investigate, and remediate the threat. Don't wait for a breach to happen. Partner with Impress IT Solutions, West Houston's local cybersecurity experts. Ensure your business is protected from threats like MintsLoader and GhostWeaver. Contact Impress IT Solutions today to schedule your cybersecurity risk assessment. Stay safe, stay secure, and keep your business running smoothly. Thanks for watching.